It says now that you've worked on opening and closing the modal, it's time to get the values from the input fields, save them into the what? into the task data array and display them on the page. So to start, add a submit event listener to your task form element and pass in E as the parameter of your arrow function, and inside the curly braces use prevent default method. Ooh, you're something new, aren't ya? What are you? Wait a second. Please let me have a moment, please. It says prevent default method. I'm actually reviewing also JavaScript. So, anyways, so it says to start, to answer this activity, you just have to add an event listener to your task form element. So, call out task form element and use and you write chain it with add event listener and click add a submit event. So you're not using click today, it should be submit, and pass E as the parameter of your arrow function. If you guys don't know what an arrow function is, it's this thing, the implicitly return thing arrow inside the curly braces. So inside the curly braces, oh, there should be a comma here, and it says pass in E. I don't know why yet. And inside the braces, use the prevent default method. Oops, default method. You should use E. Oh, you should call out the parameter first and then chain it with prevent default method to stop the browser from reloading the page as it says. Yay.